Conversation test. Topic music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I am a big fan of classical music. It doesn't make me very popular with my children. Their taste in music is completely different. They always want to listen to their favorite rock bands.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. I've always wished I'd taken up a musical instrument. I'd love to be able to play the guitar, but I think I'm a bit too deaf, so perhaps I'd find it hard.
Have you got any hobbies or interests?
I'm really into live music. I go to a lot of music festival. I think a live performance always sound more exciting than a recorded version, as long as the performers can sing and play well, of course.
Is the internet a good or bad thing for the music industry?
On the one hand, it's good for marketing new musical talent or particular bands, but it's so easy to share and download track for free. I think it is costing the industry a lot of money.
Should music be treated as seriously as subjects like math or science at school?
I think it should. I don't think it should be a taught in a boring way. I mean, making children read music, but I do think they should be encouraged to play instrument and to play things by ear, perhaps, to keep the listen fun.
Where do people usually enjoy listening to music?
In lots of way or place as background music when they are doing something else at concert when a band goes on tour or in club or discuss. Thank you.